morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your computer period and we are doing lesson number 2, that is input and output devices. In this chapter we have done all exercises and question answer, and in our previous video also we have revised some exercises and question answer. Now today in this video we will revise question answer and activity zone. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully. Lesson 2, Input and Output Devices. In this chapter we have revised exercises, then question answer, that is question number 1, 2, 3. We have already revised it. Now in this video we will revise the remaining question answer and activity zone. Question number 4. Differentiate between an impact and a non-impact printer. There are two types of printer, that is impact printer and non-impact printer. We have to find out the difference between these two printer. First of all, we have to draw a line in between the page and divide it into two half. One on the left hand side, on one half you have to write impact printer, and on in front of it in the next half you have to write non-impact printer. First point is the character or graphic printing is done by striking on the paper. In front of it you have to write first point of non-impact printer, that is there is no physical contact while printing the paper. After completing these 2 points, this is the first point of these two printer. After completing it you have to draw a line. Then second point is this type of printer creates noise, and in non-impact printer it is quieter than impact printer. So these are the two difference between impact and non-impact printer. After this you have to leave a line. Then question number 5. Define the term plotter. Describe different types of plotters. This question is divided into two parts. What is plotter and what are the different types of plotter? You have to describe it. Answer is plotter prints vector graphics. This means it can print on very large sheets while maintaining high resolution. The different types of plotters are, there are two types of plotter. One is drum plotter, second is flat bed plotter. Now we have to describe it also. In drum plotter, in this type of plotter, paper is wrapped around a rotating drum with a pin fed attachment. The drum revolves while the actual pen does the printing. In drum plotter, a paper is wrapped around a rotating drum and there is a pin like attachment. When the drum revolves, this pin or the pen which is attached to it, it does the printing. Now second one is flatbed plotter. It is a graphic plotter that has a flat surface on which the paper is placed and it draws by moving a pen in both horizontal and vertical direction over a sheet of paper. Flatbed plotter has a flat surface on which paper is placed and it draws, it has a pen which moves in both horizontal and vertical direction, and when the paper and it moves over the pen moves over a sheet of paper and it draws or it do the printing work. So these are the two types of plotter. We have revised these question answer. After this, in activity zone there is a exercise, an exercise which is expand the following abbreviation. You have to write the full form of these short form. Number 1 is QR. Full form of QR is quick response. Second is MICR. Full form of MICAR is Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Third is OCR, Optical Character Recognition. Fourth, OMR, Optical Mark Recognition. Fifth is CAD, Computer Aided Design. Sixth is CAM, Computer Aided Manufacturing. Seventh is DMP, Dot Matrix Printer. So these are the full form of these short forms. We have revised the whole chapter. Now what you have to do? You have to learn all these exercises and question answer, and I will ask question answer from these exercises in your class group, which you have to answer, and those students who have not done it, do it in your copy. Thank you.